More breaking news coming in. Now, a day before her tragic death at a hill in Maharashtra's Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar area, along with her husband and teen son, Sangeeta Changude had in fact posted a video on her YouTube channel on relationships and their values. Now, remember viewers, this video was posted just a day prior to the tragedy that panned down in Maharashtra's Sambhaji Nagar. We are also learning that Sangeeta had shared a self-recorded video on YouTube saying that there is quote-unquote no point in doing anything for a person who does not value love. This is a 1-minute video that we're talking about that was put out by Sangeeta just a day prior to the tragedy. In fact, she also said, and I quote, "Be ready to give your fate, but to that person who values you, who values your love. If a person does not value you, does not value your love, if what you do for him is not of his value, then for such a person there is no point in doing anything." This was in fact the entire statement that was being told in Marathi, of course, in that particular video in YouTube that she had posted. Remember that 48-year-old husband also, Murlidhar Changude, and her 18-year-old son Kunal also fell off that hilltop after all of them, in fact the entire family, wiped out in a 200-foot gorge from the Kodia Dongar area, allegedly after an argument over the EMIs for the son's new iPhone. In fact, take a look at this video.
राम कृष्ण हरी. ताटातलं नाही तर आपल्या नशिबातलंही देण्याची तयारी ठेवा. पण अशा व्यक्तीला ज्याला आपली किंमत असेल, आपल्या प्रेमाची किंमत असेल, जर एखादा व्यक्ती आपली किंमत करत नसेल, आपल्या प्रेमाची किंमत करत नसेल, आपण त्याच्यासाठी जर जे करतो त्याची किंमत नसेल, तर अशा व्यक्तीसाठी काहीही करण्यात काहीच अर्थ नाही आहे. पोळी पण तेव्हाच गोड लागते जेव्हा ती दोन्ही साईडनं भाजली.
Shweta Verma is joining us to get us more details on this. Shweta, of course, more and more details are emerging in this case. We are also, learning earlier how videos were posted by mother-son duo on social media platforms, showing their love, showing their cordial relationship with each other. But now this video, of course, puts a spotlight on the case once again. Do tell us the details of this.
Well, that's absolutely right, Hina. In fact, as we go through the video, we understand, and of course, the kind of love that's being projected through social media, through YouTube. We are seeing that how, some short posts were being done by Sangeeta Changude along with her son, Kunal Changude. Now, remember, this entire family, from the outer world seems to be very, very cordial with each other, but just a small dispute over a new phone had ended up into something very tragic that nobody could have imagined. Now, what we also understand that this particular video that has surfaced online is just 2 days back when she had in fact posted, a video about love, relationship, and also about how you have to value the bond. And here we have seen that she was in fact talking about the kind of love, the relationship, values, and after 2 days, what has come to the fore has not only shocked, people of Maharashtra, but across nation, that how over a small dispute, there is on a phone, an argument. In fact, I wouldn't even say that it was a dispute. It was an argument that had unfolded between the Changude family members. And on, just 2 days back in Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar, the boy went to the hill and he was in which sort of sentiments. It is something very important to understand. In fact, the police team was deployed, the family came running behind him, and subsequently what we have seen is just in an attempt to save the child, the father also slips from the hill and he dies along with the son. And in a fraction of a second, in fact, Sangeeta Changude, the video which has been circulated or which has been available on social media, we can see the lady also had, without thinking, she also jumped off from the cliff. So in just few seconds, Hina, in fact in 4-5 seconds, what we observe is that the entire family, with a blink of an eye, the entire family dies just over a small dispute over a phone.
Absolutely, Shweta. Thank you so much for all of these updates. More breaking news coming in. Now, a shocking news is coming in from Agra, where decomposed